Hello everyone. So a couple of weeks back, I found an awesome new pizza place. It's called the Pizza Grove, and it's kind of like an Indian fusion pizza shop. So located here at this little tiny gas station that looks like it's 50 years old or something like that. It's called Groveland Gas. And so all I did was last time I got a cheese pizza and two vegetable samosas. The cheese pizza was just incredible. It didn't look particularly any different than a standard cheese pizza, but the taste was just so flavorful. It wasn't greasy. It literally was one of the best cheese pizzas I've ever had in my life. So now a few weeks later, I decided to come back here and try something a little more different, like a Tikka Masala Pizza. Also, the samosas were excellent last time, so I got them again. But I mainly just wanted to try some of this fancy pizza because I've never really even had pizza that was kind of Tikka Masala pizza. So let's see what this place has to offer. I'm gonna, as you can see, actually, I just got the food. It's laying right there. My Fanta. So it's time to drive a minute or two away to a little pond that I just happened to see along the way and check out some of this pizza. This little boat ramp for Rock Pond. I've never actually been here before, but I saw this as I was driving towards this Pizza Grove location. And seemed like a good place to, oh, there's the pizza. Good place to try the pizza. My first Tikka Masala pizza ever. Some nice little pond. Little house over there that's almost on the water. And the weather could not be any more perfect. Let's see what we got in here. Interesting. As I said, the cheese pizza that I got here about 2 weeks ago looked like a pretty standard pizza. And at first when I got it, I was like, okay, I don't know what this is all about, but when I took a bite of it, that's where I realized it was not an ordinary pizza. So I think this one's gonna need another minute or two to cool off, but this thing looks good. All right, I think it's about ready to give it a try, but I also wanted to bring the samosas down. I'm not gonna try them right now, but I had them last time and they were excellent. These are vegetable samosas. I just want to show you what they look like in this place. Oh yeah. That's some good stuff. Can't wait to eat that later. I got 2 packs of these. All right. So I'm not sure I'm gonna do this with one hand without destroying everything, but let's give it a go. I got 1 slice almost free here. Got a couple of napkins so I don't hopefully ruin everything, but oh man, it's gonna burn. Oh gosh. Yeah, of course I did not have any bowls with me, but yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to do this so easily with one hand. Yes, I am destroying this with no blades. Seriously? He asked me how hot I want this. I said medium. Obviously it was mild and extra hot. This pizza, absolutely excellent. Look at it. Look at this hanging cheese. I mean, look at this. This is literally what you want. This beautiful pond and fantastic cheese. Just look at that. Ready to be all eaten up. I ate a little bit of it, so it's a little easier to hold now. It's not very greasy. It's thick. It's cheesy. I feel like these days the cheese rarely just kind of pulls out like that. That's a good sign. It reminds me when I was a kid and you'd be eating pizza that you stretch as far as you possibly can from your mouth and the cheese would still be attached. Yeah, seriously, this is it's gonna be hard to go back to regular pepperoni pizza or just standard Pizza House style pizzas after this. I said, it was just a quick tasting. They're just perfect. The chicken's perfect. The spiciness is perfect. Even the crust is good. Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this up and finish it at home, but not only does this place have a nice location where you can eat some pizza 1 minute away with lots of parking. And seriously, that pizza is just, it's incredible. It really does not do justice by how it looks, but it has like the most perfect blend of tastes. It's very difficult to describe. So yeah, check it out. Let me know if you get a chance to try this pizza and if you like it. Hope that helps.